Hi, this is PixelExperience Plus addition to Poco phone, which is based on Android 10. So it's very smoothness and good touch experience. So I'm going to show you about phone Android 10. So this is Android Q based ROM. This is official from Pixel. So security patch level is May 5th, the latest security patch updated, and kernel is from official Pixel official. So I'm going to show you display. So it comes with dark mode, so you are able to use dark mode with all application and system UI. So this is one of the cool feature from Pixel, so you can enable or disable it. And in display section, scroll down, so you can hide notch, so choose notch and hidden, so it will be hidden. See, so if you want you just hidden it. So you don't want hidden it, just set default, so it comes back on. Then back here, next sound, so you can ramp up your calling sound, alarm sound and volume, so using this feature. So if you increase like this, then it will increase ring volume, call volume and alarm volume. So next, so if you want you can enable. The next, system gesture, so system navigation, so there are three types of navigation, two buttons navigation, so three button navigation and a gesture navigations, so you can use either one. And same gesture here, swipe to screenshot, you just enable it, then swipe, then it will take screenshot by swiping. Then go back here, status bar, go to status bar, so here you can edit clock style and anything. So here clock position, I'm going to set left side, so if you set left side, then it goes to left side. Now you see, so you can enable show seconds and AM PM style, which is normal and small, choose either. So I'm going to choose hidden. And battery status style, either you can choose circle or text, I'm going to choose text. So if you choose like this, it will available by text. Then battery percentage, here it's a quick pull down, so if you want quick pull down you can set left or right side, so here no pull down, so I'm going to set right side. So after that it will come just one swipe, you can view all the settings in status bar. So I'm going to set left side, then it will be left side. And so the style, icon style, so icon style and the animations, so it shows normal. I will change by this and fast and this, choose anyone. So if I choose this, then click that, so it will animate it. Then choose this, then style look like this. So these are the cool features from Pixel. Then system update, if you install this official build, you can use daily driver, so you are able to use as a daily driver with this build, so there is no issue with this. And I'm going to show you charging. There is no issue with charging because it's charging very rapidly. That means fast charging. So I'm going to charge it. First it shows charging slowly, after that you can see charging rapidly. So charging wise there is no issue, it's perfectly working. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and comment and subscribe it.